45,000 around.
45,000, correct. For 10 grams, 45,000. Gold price today, I am seeing here. But of course, it is all showing some dollar. I want Bombay rate. Gold price
46,000.
46.
4667.
Acha.
46,805.
46,000.
805.
Okay, 805. Good. Excellent. Good. Nice. Sonali Gautam ji, do you have any questions? Why are you very sad always?
No, sir, I'm not sad.
Puchiye.
Nothing like that.
You are not sad? Good. I'm happy. Smile. Tell me, any questions do you have?
No, sir, I don't have any question.
Acha, why have you not prepared for your computer subject? It's a very big point. You must know about it. Certainly they will ask questions relating to computer.
Sir, actually I have done my graduation in 2017, so there was a gap.
3-4 years gap. फिर भी आप पढ़ सकते हैं. It's not very tough. It is possible. You are appearing for SBI?
No, sir, IBPS.
IBPS. You have time. Please start preparing for it. Okay.
Those were the booklet that you were talking about.
Yeah, booklet में only questions are there, but you can always get some more material from internet. Go to google.com, search for computer related interview questions and prepare. Okay, very good. Yeah, now next is our Sugandha Madan. Sugandha Madan, when is your interview? Sugandha ji. Sugandha Madan. Hello. Perhaps voice is not reaching.
So can I start by speaking?
Now Sugandha, yeah. Sugandha.
Sugar. So I am Ray Sugar.
Sugandha Madan, your interview is on which date? Hello. Sugandha ji. Hello. I think, is there something? Are you able to hear me, others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Why she is not able to hear? Hello. Yeah. Who is speaking? Yeah, madam, I am now in an interview. Can you contact me after 15-20 minutes? Yeah, Sugandha.
So can I give the interview first before Sugandha?
Who is speaking now?
The Ray Sugar.
Reshu Garg. Reshu Garg. Yeah. You want to speak now? Sugandha ji, are you there or not? She is not there. Reshu Garg, we can talk to you. What is your degree, please?
So I have completed my master's in 2016.
Computer.
In commerce.
Commerce. MCA.
M.Com.
M.Com. Acha. Commerce in 2016. After that, where have you been working?
So I am not working anywhere. I am just preparing for the banking exam and the other state level exams.
Very good. You are from which state?
I am from Agra, Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
Right, sir.
Yeah. You are native of which place in Uttar Pradesh?
Sir, Agra, Uttar Pradesh.
Agra. Oh.
Right.
Agra means what comes to everybody's mind?
The Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal was built under which period? Whose period?
Sir, in the period of Shah Jahan.
Okay. When was it built?
I don't know.
Okay, doesn't matter. Not required now. Now, what is your father?
Sir, my father is a businessman.
What business is he doing?
He sailed the general merchant part of the generator parts and a pipe.
Okay. Now, I will confine myself to commerce for you. What is IPO?
The initial public offering.
What is SEZ?
Sorry, sir?
SEZ.
SEZ, Special Economic Zone.
What is the speciality about special economic zones?
So there is a certain area where the special schemes were regulated. That is called the Special Economic Zone.
Certain concessions are given in respect of taxation or other cases. Okay, that is special economic zone. What is LAF?
And AF. And AF. So can you please tell me?
London, Agra, Finland. London, Agra, Finland.
Sir, liquidity adjustment
Adjustment
facility.
facility.
Liquidity.
Adjustment facility.
Liquidity adjustment facility. Through that only they are using repo rate, reverse repo rate,
First rapid.
bank rate and all that. Okay, you are a
The monetary tool.
yeah, you are MCOM student. You must answer this correctly. What is expansion for FII?
Financial industrial instrument.
Wrong.
Foreign investment investors.
Foreign institutional investors. Foreign institutional investors. When they come and put all money here, the prices of shares goes up. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now we will go to what are the functions of RBI. Please tell us for 2 minutes. You must talk for 2 minutes about RBI. Time starts now.
The RBI is a banker's bank. It regulates the monetary policy. It issues the currency, and it's a lender of last resort for the government as well as a bank, and that's all.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
अरे भाई 5 साल पढ़ने का बाद में even आधा मिनट you cannot talk. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You studied for 5 years.
Sir, I'm not studying for 5 years. I just started my preparation last 2 years. In between, I just
No, I am talking about MCOM, Baba. MCOM, BCOM 3 years, MCOM 2 years, correct?
Right, sir. Right, sir.
हाँ, उसमें उधर में तो ये सब पढ़ते हैं आप लोग. अच्छा ये बताइए, what are the 3 rules of bookkeeping? Golden rules of bookkeeping.
So there are 3 accounts. In that 3 accounts, there are 3 golden rules. Can I tell the accounts?
Yeah.
So there are 3 accounts. The first one is nominal account, real account, and the nominal account, real account, and a personal account.
Normally उल्टा बोलना प्रैक्टिस है. पर्सनल, रियल, नॉमिनल. बाद में आएगा, कोई बात नहीं. अभी इसका बारे में बताओ जी.
So personal account is that जिसमें sir, can I speak in Hindi?
You can talk in any language. हाँ.
Sir, debtors that the receivers and credit the giver. That is come in the personal account. In real account, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. And in nominal account, debit all the expenses and the other things, and credit all the profits.
No. First one personal में debit the receiver, credit the giver. Second one real account में क्या हुआ?
Debit what comes in and credit what goes out.
Okay. Third में क्या हुआ?
In the nominal account, debit all the expenses and credit all the profit.
हाँ?
Credit all the profit.
और profit नहीं, incomes and gains.
Okay, sir.
Credit all income and gains. What is trial balance?
Sir, trial balance.
Okay, what is balance sheet?
The balance sheet shows us the financial statement of any company, any organization. In that particular thing, we put all our expenses and whatever comes in our business. We just show on that show in the balance sheet to give the final position to show all the final position of our organization.
Hmm. No. Balance sheet is a statement of account of assets and liabilities of an organization as on a particular date.
Date.
Okay,
What
sir.
are the different things that will come under liability side of a bank balance sheet?
The liability side of the bank balance sheet? I don't recall it right now.
How can you say like this? You are a MCOM student. You must try to recollect and tell me. Please try. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'll go to the next question. What is mutual fund?
So mutual funds are the funds which was cumulative funds. मतलब बहुत सारे लोग कुछ अपना अमाउंट इन्वेस्ट करते हैं पर्टिकुलर मार्केट में, मतलब मार्केट ओरिएंटेड जो फंड होते हैं उसको हम म्यूचुअल फंड्स कहते हैं, जो मार्केट पर डिपेंड करते हैं.
म्यूचुअल फंड डेफिनेशन आपने ठीक से नहीं बोला. डजंट मैटर. व्हाट आर क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसीज?
क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसी सब वो होती हैं जो एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन जो हमें लोन लेते हैं उनकी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट बताते हैं कि इसको ये मॉडल है या नहीं है, इसको लोन देना चाहिए या नहीं देना चाहिए.
No, but you must tell the names of credit rating agency, na?
Sir, credit rating agencies are ICRA something, right?
ICRA something नहीं है.
ICRA,
CIBIL.
ICRA or CRISIL.
So you must know all these things. You are MCOM. What is plastic money?
The plastic money, we will say credit card as a plastic money, credit or debit card.
Very good. What is the demat account?
The demat account is an account which was opened by the person to deal with to manage the shares they have purchased.
Demat account is an account wherein shares bought and sold are kept in dematerialized form, not in physical form. Okay. What is the old name of SBI?
The Imperial Bank of India.
When were the banks nationalized initially?
In 1969.
1950.
1969. Correct. Second time?
In 1973.
No, 1980.
1980, right. There are 4 banks.
Yes, 6 banks were nationalized in 1980. Acha, which banks were merged with Punjab National Bank?
So there is 2 banks merged with the Punjab National Bank. The first one is United Bank of India, and the other bank is Andhra. I don't recall right now.
Oriental.
The Punjab National Bank is merged with Commerce. Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India is merged with Punjab National Bank.
Correct.
United
Correct.
Bank of India.
Yeah. About with Union Bank, what were merged?
Union Bank was merged with
Corporation Bank,
Yeah.
Andhra Bank.
Correct. Correct. Yeah. Now we will go to the very important question. What is Reshu Garg? Tell me, what is financial inclusion?
फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन का जो टर्मोलॉजी है वो ये है कि जिसमें सभी लोगों को बैंक से जोड़ने का जो काम हो रहा है वो फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन के तहत हो रहा है. मतलब जिसमें सभी को, चाहे वो रूरल एरिया से हो चाहे वो अर्बन एरिया से, सभी को बैंक से जोड़ना है. तो इसी के अंतर्गत ये पेमेंट बैंक और स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक आते हैं.
और भी अच्छा बोल सकते हैं ना फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन वजह से. तो यू मस्ट बी एबल टू टेल सम मोर पॉइंट्स, एंड दिस इज अ oft repeated question. What are the various schemes used by government for financial inclusion?
तो प्रधानमंत्री जनधन योजना, प्रधानमंत्री जनधन योजना हो गई, और प्रधानमंत्री वया वंदना योजना, प्रधानमंत्री बीमा योजना, प्रधानमंत्री याद नहीं आ रहा.
You are forgetting. When is your interview? Reshu Garg, when is your interview?
On 9th of March.
9th March. Okay. थोड़ा पढ़ना है ना, क्या पढ़ा नहीं पढ़ा?
सर नहीं, क्योंकि 28 को एग्जाम दे के आई और कल रिजल्ट आ गया था तो थोड़ा
अच्छा
disappointing था.
you are writing that ABPS exam.
Yes sir, yes sir.
That is why you didn't have time. I understand.
Yes.
I understand. Now tell me any topic with which you are very confident and you can speak for 1 minute. Tell me one topic.
So I am not confident right now in any topic.
क्यों?
It's not.
क्यों इतना गुस्सा होता है आपको?
तो गुस्सा नहीं हूँ.
No, this is known as stress interview. This is known as stress interview, where the interviewer goes on asking questions with which you are not happy. समझ गया?
Yes sir.
उसको भी आप सामान के बाहर आना है, आप अच्छा से आंसर करके कोशिश करना है, ठीक है?
जी सर.
गायत्री, प्लीज आस्क सम क्वेश्चंस टू रेशु. गायत्री जी.
What the use of being MCOM? Why should we hire you?
Why should one study MCOM?
Sorry sir.
What is the use of studying MCOM?
Sir, when I talk about my study helps the banking sector, so I'm MCOM. I'm Masters in Commerce. I know how to deal with the day-to-day operation in the which was come in the banking branch. So yeah, my study will help the bank to. Actually, in my academics I do whatever things which was come in the banking field. So that helps the bank and me also.
Okay, BAMCOM, Master of Commerce, helps you learn about commerce, various activities relating to commerce and all that. Good. Now, Reshu, can you tell me where is this term used? Jeevan Umanga.
Sir, in LIC.
Very
Life
good.
insurance.
Excellent. What is the expansion for LIC?
Life Insurance Corporation of India.
Who is the chairman of LIC?
Sir, Mr. Mahesh.
Huh?
Oh, sorry, I can't recall.
Yam Kumar.
Evan Kumar, right? I recognize the name of Mr. Khuntia.
Kuntia is for IRDAI.
IRDAI, right?
Sir, Mr. Siddhanta Mohanty,
Pardon?
LIC MD.
LIC, is it not Kumar? Kumar is the chairman.
No, sir.
Change हो गया.
It's the MD. It's the MD, Siddhant Mohanty.
No, 1 minute, let me check up. Because yesterday I was talking to a guy from LIC. He told this name only.
He is a MD, not chairman.
Oh, MD.
MD is a Siddharth Mohanty, who was appointed, I think, last month.
1 minute. Home में जाएगा. About us में जाएगा. About us. 1 minute. Home welcome kit annual report में होगा. Annual report 2019. इसमें chairman नाम दिया है. MR Kumar is the chairman.
Yes, sir.
I'm saying that MD of LIC is Mr. Siddhant Mohanty,
I am
the managing director.
I am asking chairman, why are you telling MD?
Sir, I am not saying MD. Ms. Raman, please said that.
No, sir. I was inactive during the whole conversation because I don't remember the chairman as well as MD of LIC.
Maybe Miss Gayatri.
No problem. If you are not remembering anything, no problem. सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. आपका why should we select you? Reshu Garg.
जी सर.
डोंट टेल मी, डोंट सेलेक्ट मी. ऐसा बता दीजिए अभी हम लोग आपको क्यों ये नौकरी देना है.
तो क्योंकि आई एम अ गुड कम्युनिकेटर. इट हेल्प्स बैंक to communicate with the customers, and yeah, that's our biggest quality the bank required for the officers.
That's all. Okay, expand AIIMS.
Teams.
What is AIIMS?
So I don't know the exact name or the abbreviated form.
All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Now that Corona is in forth, everybody, these terminologies also we must be comfortable with. Okay. Very good. Any questions you have?
Sir, how can I prepare for the interview? Because
Why?
it's my first interview for IBPS.
Are you a member of our Telegram group?
I just joined.
Yeah. I have given you the links for this 10-page material. Please go through that.
In that booklet, there is no certain question for the commerce student.
Commerce, I can give you commerce questions. That's not a problem. I have already given in many other. Can you go back on the Telegram if you join today? No.
No, maybe tired.
Maybe yes, no, yes. Arey bhai, young people, you must be able to tell me correctly. Gayatri, can you go back in Telegram if one joins today?
So yes, we can.
Yes, sir.
We can.
And link in that all the documents.
You can go back now. Doesn't matter if you don't get it. Send an email to me.
Okay, sir.
I will send you some files. You read that. But I am sure you must be having lot of materials for interview. It's not as if you are thinking about interview only today. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. Thank you so much. I think our that girl is not there. She was here. She has gone. What is that girl's name? Gayatri? Somebody who is missing now.
Ashrita.
No. There was one Sangeeta. Somebody. She came. Pradhan. Doesn't matter.
Sugandha.
Yeah. Anyhow, thank you so much. Best wishes. We'll meet again tomorrow. Of course.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, somewhere I have read that under scheduled commercial bank, the minimum capital reserves that should be kept is 25 lakhs. Earlier it used to be 5 lakhs, sir.
No,
But
it's only 5 lakhs. One minute. என்ன மேடம்? Hello.
yes, sir.
Yeah. You're telling 25 lakhs?
Yes, sir.
But I remember to have seen only this 5 lakhs that is there in other books. Maybe if it is there, kindly send the link to me.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I'll send you the screenshot.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is my voice hamper my interview? How can I improve my voice? Because in first 2 minutes I'm in a social state that I can able to speak.
No, for you the real problem is stammering.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, I'm not having solution for that. Only thing is, I told you one thing, you develop confidence to speak so that you will not have stammering.
Because earlier I have appeared sir SO interview. Then sir, in that interview I got 70 marks.
No, they will understand that you have stammering problem. Accordingly, they will give you weightage for that also. They will not penalize you on that score because it's not a purposeful thing you have created, it is happening. So keeping that in mind, they will put questions to you. You understand? I have seen many bankers with stammering. even working as general managers also. So that is not a big issue, but you prepare yourself on your degree subject properly and also
sir.
banking properly.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
सर हेलो.
Yeah, Reshu.
यस सर. सर मुझे एक चीज़ और पूछनी थी. जैसे अभी मेरा इंटरव्यू जो आपने दिया वो ज़्यादा मुझे नहीं लगता कि बहुत अच्छा हुआ है, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस नहीं आए. तो मुझे अब मतलब मेनली मैं एम.कॉम हूँ, मास्टर्स इन कॉमर्स हूँ, तो मुझसे क्वेश्चन भी मास्टर्स इन कॉमर्स मतलब कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड में काफ़ी पूछे जाएंगे. तो
Jarur,
क्या मैं
Jarur, they will ask you more questions in commerce. Recently, a person was asked what are the subjects he has studied in MCOM. They asked each and every subject some questions.
Okay, sir. So, sir, if there is a gap between my masters and the interview which is faced by me in on 9th of March. So, can I tell them that there is a huge difference between that? That's why I'm not recognized. That if I am not recognized any question,
Pardon, pardon.
अगर अगर कोई क्वेश्चन मुझे नहीं आए कॉमर्स में, तो क्या मैं उनसे कह सकती हूँ कि काफ़ी टाइम हो गया मुझे पढ़े हुए, तो उसके भी नेगेटिव हो जाएगा क्या?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, no negative, no negative. You please read. First of all, have belief that you have to prepare and prepare yourself. You seem to be having more of anger rather than pleasantness. In your words, everything should be pleasant. See, when you are talking, when I was asking questions to you, find anger over me. Why?
I'm not anger.
Uh,
I'm not anger.
no, sorry.
So my voice is not so familiar with the environment, so that's why I think you are thinking about that.
No, doesn't matter. Please call me over phone. I will guide you. 80721 77482.
Can you please repeat?
80721
Okay, sir.
77482.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Best wishes. Bye. Muruga Narayana. யாருக்கு ரீசார்ஜ் பண்ணணும்? யார் வெங்கடேஷ்ங்கிறவர் யாரு? வெங்கடேஷ்க்கு 50 ரூபா போடணும், போய் எழுதணும், எழுதுவோம்.